G'day folks. Well, it's time to inspect and troubleshoot this little Speedie brand air conditioner. It's cooling only. Nice. Thermostat still working. It's one of the good ones, you can hear when it latches. So, just leave it on high cool. Yeah, filter's not too bad. It's nice. What is it? 15 amp starting current. It's a Sun Electric Company, Melbourne, Australia, but it's made in Canada. It's a 5000 BTU unit, so it's just under half ton. Power factor is 89%. BTUs per hour. 920 watts, 4.3 amps. 11.75 ounces of R22. Not bad. Simplest thing to test these is just to plug them in and see what happens. Everything's clear and plugged in, so let's turn it on. That's always a good sound. The lights didn't go out. Doesn't sound like there's much coming through the coils. Give it a minute to settle in. Yeah, this thing's only a little baby. Probably no more than you'd find in your average household fridge. Cooling capacity wise, that is. I'm definitely getting heat rejection. Yeah. It's probably starting to work. It's just going to take a while to get going. I have to try it during the day when it's hotter. The styrofoam thing. Get a bit of axial play there. Oh, let's turn it on again. There goes the styrofoam peanut. Bally thing. That run cap's leaking. That's messy. Good high temperature. Yeah, it's working gradually. Fairly thick coil for only a little unit. Yeah, this thing's settled down now. It's working quite well. Working alright. Good. Good heat rejection. I have to replace that run cap though, that's bad. Very bad run cap. Leaky. Hot. Good. fan only. Not much in it. I'd say it's pretty good. I'll just change that run cap because it's sort of hemorrhaging badly. And that's about it. Well, I'll give that one a clean up next week and that'll do it. Thanks for watching. One quick last run after heat soak. I'd bet that run cap would pike it on a hot day though. I won't have oiled the motor. Pull the yellow plugs out and put a couple of drips of surface oil, fine machine oil. It's an Fasco Industries 1/15 horsepower motor. For those of you who like induction motors. Fan. Start. Needs a good clean, but there's no real corrosion. Good, not from near the sea. Worst thing is seaside ones, they all get corroded out. Yeah, getting subcooling already. It's gone cold. Yeah. It's working fine now, it's settled in. Yeah, there we go. Run out of liquid. It's good because you can hear liquid coming through fair time after the compressor's stopped. It's not immediate. It's got a good charge in it. Yeah, one thing that I'll change on this unit is I'll get the 4-inch grinder with a slitting wheel and cut most of this grill out, because all of this is going to get hot and retain heat, so the condenser won't work as well. Anytime they put crap like that in front of the condenser is actually impeding the performance of the unit. Even though it protects the coils against vandalism, it ain't doing it any good performance wise. So I'm going to cut it all the way around there. Just take all that out. I'll leave that, but those slats have to go. And thanks for watching. That's all for now.